Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 best movies where the villain wins. It's fairly rare for mainstream films to allow the villain to win, which makes it a real shocking end to a story when it does happen. Some great films across all kinds of genres have taken this approach, and it makes for a pretty impactful finale. Alien Covenant. The Alien franchise has always been dark, with most of the on-screen characters getting killed by the deadly xenoforms. However, they have always let the hero of the story survive to fight another day. In Alien Covenant, a new villain besides the alien emerges with the android David, who seems hell-bent on breeding the aliens. After David is presumably killed by his android doppelganger, Walter, the heroes defeat the alien and escape. But in the final moments, Walter is revealed to actually be David, who plans to use the hibernating crew to breed the aliens.
It's the furry hard work.
Saw. The gruesome horror film opens with two men waking up in a basement with their legs chained to the wall and a dead man on the floor in the middle of the room. They eventually realize they are captive of the serial killer Jigsaw, who puts victim through torture tests to prove they cherish life. After killing the man they think is Jigsaw, one of the men saw through his own foot and goes to get help. Then the dead man in the middle of the floor wakes up, revealing himself to be Jigsaw, and the survivor captor screams Jigsaw says game over before closing him in the basement forever. The Usual Suspects. In The Usual Suspects, a disabled and timid criminal named Verbal Kint is interrogated by a detective following a bloody shootout of which he is the only survivor. Through flashbacks, we learn Verbal was part of a group of criminals forced into working for a mysterious crime lord named Kaiser Soze. The detective eventually pieces everything together and realizes Verbal's friend Keaton was Soze and used Verbal as a pawn. But after Verbal is allowed to leave, the audience sees his limp disappear. It becomes clear Verbal's entire story was a fabrication and he was Kaiser Soze all along.
I'm afraid of it.
No Country for Old Man. The Coen brothers' No Country for Old Man is largely a chase film in which a man named Llewellyn Moss is hunted by a relentless, cold-blooded killer named Anton Chigurh after Moss steals drug money. So the movie seems to be building to the inevitable showdown between the two men. Moss is killed off screen halfway through the story. With Moss gone, Chigurh is able to collect the money and even kills Moss' wife, making good on his threat.
Major. It's just all out war.
Arlington Road. The underrated thriller Arlington Road stars Jeff Bridges as a man living in the suburbs who begins to suspect his neighbors are hiding a dark secret. As his suspicion grows, others begins to see him as losing touch with reality and becoming erratic following the recent death of his wife. The man finally discovers the neighbors have planned to blow up a government building and he rushes to stop it. However, too late he realizes that they used him to get the bomb inside the building. It explodes, fulfilling their plan and making it look like an innocent man was responsible. Avengers Infinity War. After being teased since Phase 1 of the MCU, the Avengers finally face off with Thanos in Avengers Infinity War. The Mad Titan quickly proves himself to be a formidable enemy as he attempts to collect the Infinity Stones and wipe out half of the universe. The Avengers band together to take on Thanos and stop him from carrying out his horrible plan. However, he proves to be too much for them, and with a snap of his fingers, half of the universe, including some prominent heroes, are exterminated. The film ends with Thanos smiling, satisfied at accomplishing his mission.
Put a smile on my face.
7. In David Fincher's Seven, a brutal serial killer carries out horrific murders based on the 7 deadly sins. As the killing progresses, the two detectives Sommerest and Mills find themselves no closer to stopping John Doe. However, before last 2 murders are complete, Doe turns himself in. He agrees to reveal the final two victims to the detectives based on Sin's envy and wrath. Doe had a box delivered to the detective containing the head of Mill's wife. In a rage, Mills executes John Doe, fulfilling his final two murders and completing Doe's twisted mission. So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.